ProMo-Cymru received investment from WCVA, and this has allowed us to redevelop a building in the heart of Cardiff Bay in order that we can better serve our community.
To facilitate the development of ProMo-Cymru, we need to have creative dialogues between the teams, between individuals, but also between the young people and the communities we work with.
Yng nghalon yr Adeilad, rydym wedi creu gofod cymdeithasol ein cegin greadigol. Mae hwn yn ofo gwych i weithio fo'n gilydd mewn gofod ychydig rhai ffurfiol mewn ystafelloedd hyfforddi. Yma, da ni'n gallu rhannu syniadau a darganfod y strategaeth orau ar gyfer ein prosiectau heb orfod tarfu ar y bobl sy'n gweithio at y disgion wrth swyddfeydd uwchben. Gallwn wneu hynny dros damit yn ei ddau o fwyd hefyd. Mae'r gegin greadigol yn cysylltu'r ddwy ystafell hyfforddi.
We've developed 2 training suites that are available to hire so other organisations that share our cooperative ethos can come in and use the spaces and involve their community. We really hope to see a lot of people using the building and to be part of our journey.
Y llawr canol ydy ein gofod cydweithio, lle mae pobl yn gallu gweithio efo'i gilydd.
So this is where our helpline staff team deliver our unique and innovative information, advice and advocacy support service. This service is available to children, young people, adults and families across Wales through phone, text and instant message.
This is the Communication Engagement Team. Our role is to work with our clients to use the best in communication techniques and methods to help them to engage better with their audiences. From this room, we deliver all sorts of projects, from videos, social media and marketing campaigns, to building citizen-led communication platforms and channels. It's a really cool place to work.
Mae'r llawr uchaf yn cael ei ddefnyddio at wahanol bwrpasau, efo ystafellau cyfarfod, a'n hystafell cyfryngau sy'n gallu cael ei ddefnyddio fel gofod ffilmio.
This building is allowing ProMo-Cymru to work to its strengths, to transform, to engage and to communicate.